Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your one-stop source for spotting fakes, scams, and questionable online deals. Today, we're reviewing a product that's been going viral in fitness ads, the Mr Sculpt Gorilla Bar. Does it really help you get ripped at home? Or is it just hype in a box? Let's find out! The Mr Sculpt Gorilla Bar claims to be a compact home gym system offering a full-body resistance workout. With promises like muscle gains, fat burn, and portable training, it sounds like a dream tool for fitness lovers, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Let's take a closer look beyond the flexing and filters. Overhyped marketing. The ads show intense workouts, but many buyers say the resistance is too weak for real gains. Questionable build quality. Multiple users reported that the bar started bending, or the straps wore out after just a few weeks. Official brand info. There's no detailed company background, no official fitness endorse, and the support page is, well, pretty vague. Inflated prices with limited time offers. The site often shows countdowns and flash sales, a classic psychological trick to push impulse buying. We searched forums and review sites, and here's what buyers are saying. Felt like a toy, not a gym tool. One of the handles snapped during use. Okay for beginners, but definitely not for serious lifters. Most customers rated it 2.5 to 3 stars out of 5, citing poor durability and underwhelming resistance levels. So, is the Mr Sculpt Gorilla Bar worth your money? If you're a beginner looking for light home workouts or rehab exercises, maybe. But if you're expecting gym-level training or real resistance results, this won't cut it. Considering the price, build issues, and lack of brand trust, we do not recommend it for serious fitness goals. Our advice: stick to trusted brands or invest in actual resistance equipment. If you tried the Gorilla Bar or a similar product, drop your experience in the comments. Your story could help others avoid a bad buy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, because your money deserves the truth. Thank you.